Hello dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can transfer your all kind of contact from old phone to new phone. Because sometimes we need to change our mobile and our new mobile have no much contact and we want to share our all contact from old phone to new phone. So don't worry, in this video I will show you how you can easily transfer your all contact from old phone to new phone. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So let's start video. Firstly, open the contact from your old phone and then click on one contact and hold it and you will see all options. Click on it and you will see share option. Click on this and then if you want to share it on WhatsApp, then click on WhatsApp and you can share through share it. So I want to share it through WhatsApp, then click on WhatsApp. So this is my new WhatsApp on my new mobile phone. So click on it and then click on send options. So you can see that all contact are here. So you can add it one by one. Click on new options and then select the Gmail ID. And here when you will select it, you can select if phone, SIM and Gmail ID according to you. So after selecting this, then click on save options. So you can it one by one. So if you want to import your all contact at once and save it at once, so I will tell you a second method. Firstly, open the contact and then you will see three dots on top right. Click on it and you will see a manage contact options. Click on it and you will see export contact. Click on it and then you will see internal storage options. Click on it and then export your all contact and then click on OK and then I will go to my internal storage and I will see that contact and then click on contact and then click on share options and you can share through WhatsApp or share it. So when you will share on your mobile phone, then open it. When you will open it, you can see import options. So when you will click on import options, your contact will be imported to your new phone. So in this way you can transfer your contact from old phone to new phone. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.